My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
What's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite Sneakerhead. Once again, bringing out a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it's right here next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so new pickup, early pickup, because I think this dropped next week if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if it already dropped on sneakers. That's why I see a bunch of people with the early sneaker reviews, but it's been a while since I did an early sneaker review, so I'm actually happy about this. I was going back and forth debating if I even wanted to get this shoe, but it is my favorite silhouette, a Jordan 4. I love that. I like the colors, especially because St. Patrick's Day is, I think, Friday if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, I think it's Saturday. It's Saturday. So I'm not gonna wear this though. I'll probably wear my Lucky Greens. So that already gave you what colors this shoe is, but you see from the thumbnail anyway. So anyway, let's get straight into it. Right off bat, you see that this is not a normal Air Jordan 4 box. It's this off-white cream type color, very smooth, very slick. I like it. Flight right there, Jumpman in gray right there on the lid. On the side, not only is it the Jumpman symbol, but it's a Nike with the SB logo right there, because this is a collab. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's the first collab of this year. I could be wrong, but I think it is. Air Jordan 4 Retro SP Sail White Pine Green, excuse me. Suggested retail price, I think it's $225. I did not pay that. Since I did get it early, I did have to pay some reseller price. A little bit more than what I wanted to pay, because I haven't really paid resale price for anything in a while. I try to give my rules is, if I can't get it retail, or at least only just a little bit over retail, I won't get it. But I kind of really wanted this. I didn't want to take a chance for try to miss on a raffle. And I'm still going to try to do the raffle next week when it does actually drop on sneakers. So if I can get 2 pair, because this is not my actual size, it is a 9. I can wear a 9, but that's kind of big. I'm really an 8.5 true to size. But like I said, size 9. So you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. Boom. All right. Let me show you to it. Boom. Got that cement paper right here. Like I said, these look way better in person. No hang tag. Look at that. That smells immaculate. Let's go. Yep. It's immaculate. All right, pull this over a little bit. All right. So without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 4 Nike SB. Excuse me. I don't know why I keep on saying Nike. Nike SB Lucky Green. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. Wrong name. Not Lucky Green. I was thinking about the Air Jordan 2 still in my mind. So let's try this over. The Air Jordan 2. I'm still thinking about the 2s, man. I'm all messed up because I'm already thinking about an outfit to put with my 2s. But let's do this again. Take 3. Air Jordan 4 Nike SB Pine Green. Boom. All right, cool. I apologize for that. Like I said, the Air Jordan 4 Nike SB Pine Greens. I apologize for that. I was all over the place. We got some information off of sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com. It reads, back in January 2020, sneaker leakers shared news that an Air Jordan 4 Pine Green Retro would release in August of that year. The late summer month came and went without the rumored pair, but the scrap project led to the first Air Jordan 4 by Nike SB, a pair that's only recently appeared via official Nike photograph. Rumors of the Nike SB Air Jordan 4 began to circulate in September 2022. Initial reports and spy shots of the pair depict the signature model in a black cat ensemble. Professional skater Paul Rodriguez was also spotted wearing the shoe, which turned out to only be a sample. Later reports slated that one of the two final versions of the modified Air Jordan sneaker would don a neutral white, pine green, and sail color scheme. Over the last few months, unauthorized, and authorized sources alike have confirmed the project was been received mildly well by the sneaker community. All right. So yeah, it says what makes the Jordans SB. The swoosh hasn't provided an underhood breakdown of collaboration, but user Tuxedo American posted the following: the side wings are made from a rubber compound base because they withstand grip tape better than traditional plastic materials. The sole is thinner at the forefoot to increase board feel. Furthermore, the air unit underneath the forefoot has been removed on a Nike SB AJ4. The SB brand and heel tag delivers notable flexible to economist skating. The tongue includes more padding than the Air Jordan 4s, although not to the extent of the SB Dunk. The toe cap doesn't feature a turn-in stitch, decreasing of the toe. The general stitching across the pine green pair following Nike SB guidelines as prototypes featuring traditional Air Jordan stitching blew out too fast. The outsole and the gum sections for increased grip. So basically, with all that being said, because I just said a lot. And like I said, it's $225 retail. It's basically made better if you're a skater. This is better. This is more durable for skateboarders and stuff like that. I like the material though. I like it. We're gonna start real quick. All right, side wings right here are made from a rubber compound because they withstand grip tape better than traditional plastic material. So this is for the grip tape on the board. It usually rubber right here, but this is more better. It says the sole is thinner. The midsole is a little bit thinner for the forefoot because for increased board feel. So it's thinner right here so you can feel the board a little bit more when it turns. I'm not a skateboarder. I do have a skateboard, but it's more of a cruiser. SB branded on the back, as you can see, Nike SB right there on the back. So, you know, to give it more of that SB feeling. The tongue includes more padding. This is a more thicker, more padded tongue, or like that. But it says it's but not to the extent of an SB Dunk. So it's more than an Air Jordan 4, but less than an SB Dunk. The toe cap doesn't feature a turn and stitch, decreasing on the toe right here. And it says, then it says something about like the air bubble unit gone, but it's right there. Bottom line is, it's better for skateboarders, like I said. So we got that sail and that grayish color going around the toe cap right there. White going up here, very, very, very clean. Insole, that lucky green or pine green, whatever you want to call it. Inside pattern right there. And the eyelids is that same color. Pull tab, it's on the back. Nike SB right there in white. Midsole has that pine green. Oh, what they say? Not pine green. Yeah, pine green right there. Nike in red on the bottom. Got this brown gum bottom up top. Well, the back heel and on the toe bottom right there. White paws and everything else. I mean, it's a very clean shoe. I like it. Red Jumpman right there on the tongue with flight and green. Very, very clean shoe. I like the shoe. I'm going to sit on this. I kind of want to... Oh, and Nike SB red insole. If you can see that right there. Nike SB red insole right there. So, we got that? The insole in there? Okay, cool. All right, so, I mean, pretty much clean shoe. I like it. I mean, it's just, like I said, it's a clean Jordan 4. I love Jordan 4. So, yeah, I like it. I like it. Class, what you think about this? 1 to 10?
8.5.
8.5. That's pretty high. I mean, damn. Because I'm surprised at it because you don't usually like white shoes because you think they're going to get dirty so quick. Why are you giving this an 8.5? That's a high score for you.
I just like the color green. It's my second favorite color.
What's your first favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, green. You pay 8.5? Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not gonna try to get you to. I'm not gonna get you to change your color. I mean, change your rating. Okay, 8.5. Class is giving it 8.5. I'm gonna give it an 8. I do also like the green, and I love the Jordan 4. I can't give it an 8.5 or 9 because it is a lot of white.
They should add more green.
I think they should have added more green, but I do like, even though more green wouldn't have hurt, I do like the green, the less green that's on it, because it makes, when you add a lot, it doesn't mean as much. But you add a little, it pops more. So since it's not that much green, you pay attention to it a little bit more. So I'll give it an 8. I like it. I mean, I definitely think it's a cop. I mean, it's not a drop, it's a cop. I really think it's a cop. It's a drop, not a drop. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this. Air Jordan 4 Nike SB Pine Green combo, whatever like that. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it's gonna be right there again. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, your host Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Toon's Kicks and the whole Toon squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.